Hi there, my name is Alfred from Alfred XI IPA-B. I'm from Sekolah Mondial in Batam, and today I'm gonna show you the bouncy egg experiment. This experiment, to do this experiment, you'll need gloves because you'll be handling acid, even though it's not, it's not very acidic. It's still better to use a glove in case you have sensitive skin. And then the main ingredient will be the egg, and then you'll need some vinegar, enough to at least submerge your entire egg, and you want to have a cup with you. Now you can see me doing the experiment. That's the egg inside the cup. Place the egg into the cup gently. Don't crack the egg. And then you take your vinegar and pour it into the cup, enough to submerge the entire egg. And once you've done that, you will see bubbles start to form in the egg. And right here you'll be able to see the bubbles forming. Sorry for the camera. Yeah, there you can see bubbles forming on the egg. And then leave it for 2 to 3 days. And here, this is me pouring away the vinegar and changing it. This is after 3 days. Make sure you change it on your second day. Make sure you change the vinegar on the second day with new vinegar, because most likely what will happen is that all the vinegar would have reacted already with the shell, and it won't react anymore, and you would be left with a bit more shell. That's the final result. You'll see that the egg is very soft and squishy. That is the membrane of the egg that it's left from the experiment. After you take out the egg, what you should do is wash the egg first. And I was just playing with it, and here this is me washing it after playing with it for a while. Wash the cup too accidentally because I didn't have enough hands. There, you should wash your egg first to rinse off any excess vinegar that might be on the egg, so that you can touch it with your bare hands. And then you'll see me bouncing the egg on the table in a while. There, that's me bouncing the egg. As you can see, it's quite bouncy. Normally it would just crack. Yeah, but this one's bouncy. In the way the reaction works. The way this reaction works is that the calcium carbonate, or commonly known as the eggshell, it will react with the acetic acid, which is also known as vinegar, because calcium carbonate is somewhat of a base and vinegar is a weak acid, and when they react they will form calcium acetate, which is a form of salt, and that will dissolve in the water. It will also produce water and carbon dioxide gas. Now you'll see the carbon dioxide gas when you do the reaction. What happens is that the water will become bubbly and foamy after you leave it for a night. You'll see the bubbles, or like when you do the experiment, the bubbles that you see on the egg, that is the carbon dioxide. And this is what the reaction would look like. You can see, oh shit, it's flipped. Oh no, it's flipped. Acetic acid plus calcium carbonate forms calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. And yeah,